Plan for remediating PDF documents. When there is a large volume of PDF documents to be remediated, having a solid plan to complete the project makes the process more efficient and easier to tackle. The first step is to assign a person or team to oversee the work. This person will be responsible for determining how the work will be completed, assigning tasks, and ensuring that the remediation is accurate and usable for people with disabilities. Step 2 is to evaluate the existing documents and decide what needs to be remediated and what can be removed. Any new documents, documents that are still in use, or documents that are legally required to be public should be remediated, but many can be removed from active websites and archived. Step 3 is to post an accessibility policy. This lets both internal and external parties know that accessibility is important to you and that you are striving towards an inclusive environment. It is a vital step to building the accessibility culture an organization needs to be fully accessible. Step 4 is to begin remediating the most used and visible documents. These would be found on your most visited pages or those most vital to your business. Step 5. Continue with the easiest PDFs to remediate. This ensures more of your PDFs are accessible quickly. Step 6. Work through the remainder of your documents as time permits. Step 7. The last step is to train your content creators to make their PDFs accessible going forward. This will prevent further bottlenecks and keep your organization compliant and inclusive. To view more PDF accessibility videos, subscribe to our channel. For more information on how Equidox can make PDF accessibility easy, visit our website at www.equidox.co.